Welcome to the 4th Green Aruba Conference, together this year with Caribbean Renewable Energy Forum. I wish I could say it was my idea to co-partner, my original idea, but it's not. I have to recognize in this sense another Arubian, Mr. Kevin De Cuba, working at the American Organization of American States, in the CREF, during the CREF in Puerto Rico last year, came up with the idea. And he said, Frank, wouldn't it be good to have a joint Green Aruba CREF this coming year? CREF, as you all know, is a rotating conference in the Caribbean, and Aruba focuses on Aruba, of course, Green Aruba. We expect, and we are already convinced, that this co-op, this joint effort, will create a synergy that will make 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 be 3. Sustainability is not only about energy, although we focus on energy these coming 3 days, but sustainability is also affects also all other areas of our society. Tourism, without a sustainable tourism, we're going nowhere. We're working hard at that. Our minister knows that better than everybody. The neighborhoods, building codes, buildings. So it affects sustainability is not only for energy, but for the whole society. I wish this morning could enlighten us and make us having this state of mind we want, that is crucial to the change we want to go to. The change of mind that sustainability is not an option, but a must. That we owe it to ourselves, we owe it to our children and the coming generation. So I wish you all a very, as we say in Papiamento, bombini, and that you may enjoy this Green Aruba Conference. Thank you so much.